Okay, hi traders. Here's a new video. First of all, the risk. Okay, wait, I have to do a put here. This is a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another Candlestick Psychology video based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So the first one was the BOTT Sure Shot 1 version. Yes, not original like the BOTT Sure Shot 1, but this was the same concept like the BOTT Sure Shot 1. Yes, reversal at the 200 EMA. That is the same like a reversal at the 161.8 Fibonacci level or the 261.8 Fibonacci level. And the next one was the concept about the engulfing candle, how to trade the engulfing candle, and this in this kind of consolidation area between the 200 EMA and the 100 EMA. Exactly those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. So let me see what's going on here. This is the support level, the resistance level. So if this candle will go up and will get back to this level, yes, maybe we are doing here now a retest, yes, and that's the reason why I would like to do a call now. Oh no, okay, I will wait till price goes down further, and as soon price will go down below this kind of support and resistance level, I will enter into a call because I'm expecting, okay, I missed this, so I will do another put on the next candle, depending how this candle will finish. Yes, if this candle will finish close to the 200 EMA, I will do a put on the next candle. If this candle will cross the 200 EMA, I will probably stay out of a trade. Yes, that is how I do this. That is already clear in my mind. Yes, so let me see. Yes, we have a nice downtrend. Now we got here at the 50%, and it looks that this will form here some kind of double top to get further down. Okay, you see, we got a retest. Yes, and I will do a put here. Yes, because I'm sure price will reverse from this level. Yes, because of this small wick. Yes, and this retest, yes, which showed me that price will reverse, yes, and that is the reason I have seen this already, yes, before, and you see after this previous candle confirmed this, yes, I entered into a put. So, but I'm not sure if price will really do a double top here. It looks more that price will try to break through this 200 EMA. Okay, now it's much more confirming this, yes, because before it was only a weak candle with a lower shadow, and I have explained this in my ebook and the 7th edition of the ebook, that if you get after an engulfing candle this kind of candle which I have explained before, you could do a trend continuation trade, a call. Yes, so okay, that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye. Okay, I will decide to enter into a put on the rejection from this level because we have a dark cloud cover. Okay, I will enter into a put here because this dark cloud cover and the movement of the running candle has confirmed me that price will break through this support and resistance level, the neckline of this double top. Yes, we got a retest here. Yes, I entered above the closing price of the previous candle. So I have done everything what I have explained in the ebook. So I have almost 80% success rate that this trade will get in the money. Yes, and to see it will be close in the money, and maybe only, okay, it was good the money at the end of the expiration time. So that was it. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.